It's interesting how modern and traditional masks itself almost as mid-century modern out here. It's so cool. Feel free to keep that or cut.
Coming soon to Adventure Archives, we have a brand new episode of our adventures in Japan. Join us as we journey across the country by train, enjoying all sorts of delicious and unique foods.
Man, I was so hungry. Oh, this is good.
Imbibe on all manner of potent potables.
Third beer opened, 8 p.m. One of you might want to write that down.
Indulge in relaxing hot springs.
Oh my God, that's hot.
And have an all-around great time.
Oh, shoot again.
Okay, very good.
Come along with us as we explore every nook and cranny we can find in Japan. From quiet traditional villages to the western coast of the country and everything in between. You can watch the episode's early release right now at patreon.com/adventure. Hope you enjoy the episode, and thank you as always for watching.